Hello, good evening. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope you guys are doing okay. As promised, I'm back with an example of op-amp being used as a buffer. So I'm going to show you that. This is same circuit analysis, lesson 20. This is part 6. So on my diagram, let's ignore this for now and just concentrate on this diagram. I've got a VSOP source, voltage source right here. And I've got a resistor, which is, let's say, R1, and this is R2, okay? And this is a small fan running. So obviously, whatever current is going over here, which is I1, right here, when it comes to this node right here, it splits. Some of it goes to R2, and some of it is being drawn by the fan. And the fan is running, okay? Now, the situation is that we don't want, we want the voltage drop across here. Let's say, for example, this is 10 volt, right? We want the same voltage drop right here, 10 volt across R1 and R2. So how can we achieve that we don't have to split and send current as I3? What can we do? So that's where op-amp comes in. What we can do is we can stick an op-amp right here, and in between right here, basically what I'm doing is that in between right here, I'm sticking an op-amp, okay? So I'm sticking an op-amp right here. As you can see, the plus is connected to this, and then minus, we have the feedback coming back from the output of the V-amp. So what this does is that, as you remember, the golden rule of op-amp is that it will not allow current to go in any of the terminals. So this current right here, which was I3 right here, is going to be blocked. So that is going to be blocked. And instead, op-amp itself will supply current from its power supply, because it does have a power supply. It has a plus, it has a minus, okay, and there's a power supply connected to it. So it's going to supply current coming from ISOP op-amp. And then this fan will keep on running. And then we will have basically same voltage drop, whatever we have V sub S, it's going to be across these two resistors, and that is what we wanted to do. The situation arises that we don't want our current I3 to go for whatever reason, within the circuit, and we can achieve that with the setting up or configuring an op-amp within the circuit as a buffer. So there you go. That's all I wanted to talk about it. In this particular section, I'll come back and we'll discuss more on some other inverting and non-inverting configurations on op-amp. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please go ahead and share as much as you can. I would really appreciate that. And also go ahead and give me a like. Thank you.